This video is for administrators wanting a general overview of Autodesk Account, your home of everything Autodesk. This is where you'll land when you sign into Account. Your profile is a place where you can edit your personal settings or security settings and edit any of your personal preferences. As an administrator, management is where you'll spend most of your time, managing your product downloads, services, users, and purchases. Here's where you can see all of your products and services. You can search by title here, which allows you to quickly find the product you need. To download products, just click right here. You can choose your download method, get any serial numbers you need, or find updates. A subscription benefit is that you can download previous versions right here as well. You can also see how many seats you purchased per contract, which plan you purchased the product under, subscription or maintenance plan, and whether or not you're using single or multi-user access. Here's where you'll be notified of any important information, such as when your subscription will expire, and right next to it you can access support. You can see all of your updates in one place, right over here, and choose to ignore the update or download the update. The expanded details on what's included in the update can help you decide whether or not to take action. The Trials tab allows you to access any products you may be trialing. Next is Reporting. This will give you insight into individual cloud credits, how many users are consuming credits, and any shared cloud credits. You can easily manage users' cloud credits, and as you can see, you have the ability to buy more cloud credits right here inside your account. As an administrator, you can easily track and optimize how you're spending cloud credits on pay-as-you-go services. Next is Users, where you can easily manage users and products in a single space. You can add a user by clicking right over here, and delete a user by clicking right here. You can assign users products in either the product view or user view, and search through users and products with ease so that you're getting the most use out of your purchased products. You may see the classic user management view, which looks like this. Either way, managing users will be accessed by clicking here. Last is Billings and Orders, which has your subscriptions and contracts. Contracts are your purchases, which are payments made from the Autodesk store, along with your subscription auto-renewal date, when your subscription will expire, and any purchases from channel partners. Depending on where you purchased your products, you can edit your purchases made from the Autodesk store here, and see details of a contract you made with a channel partner right here. Order history shows your past purchases from the Autodesk store. It is really just like email receipts, which we help you keep a record of. Having all of your payments in a single place makes it easier to manage your purchases. Autodesk Account is where you can manage users, products, and costs. Check out autodesk.com/getstarted for more information.